Thank you to all of our forward-thinking investors who have already invested in Platinum Point. Now we are going to be launching Phase 4. Phase 4 is going to be a little different. It's the Platinum Point Residences. Why don't you come on in with me and I'll tell you a little bit more. So as we were entering here into Platinum Point, we so happened to run into the developer of this property who is here in town. I wanted to introduce you all to Sarah. Sarah, why don't you tell us a little bit more about yourself, why you chose this location, and what your vision was for Platinum Point?
Absolutely. Thanks, Rachel. My husband and I came to Belize a few years ago and fell in love with the country. We fell in love with the culture, the food, the environment, the beautiful nature, the reef, the ocean, everything about it. And what I really loved was that it was English speaking. We have the second largest barrier reef in the world. We have all of the water activities, everything that I love, all my favorite things to do are here in Belize. And specifically here on Ambergris Caye, we as investors, because we do a lot of development and investing in the US, one of the things that we looked for was, as an investor, the path of progress. So the path of progress is such a critical component to anything that you're doing as an investor, because you want to make sure that where you're going to be investing, you're going to get a good return on your investment. And one of the things that we saw and recognized was the opportunity here on Ambergris Caye, north of San Pedro. And even though this area was undeveloped, we saw that the path of progress was moving northward in this direction. Now, I will tell you, in the last 3 years, every time we visit here, we always see something new on this north side of the island. And one of the things that we envisioned was creating a community or a subdivision that offered affordable property that we could sell off, that were entitled, that we had fee simple lots, titles in hand, and that we also would offer financing and make it affordable and kind of reduce the barrier of entry of being able to buy property here in Paradise. So what we did is we created the subdivision called Platinum Point, and you can buy lots here. We actually just sold out Phase 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to be releasing Phase 4, I think, as of this week.
Yes.
And so again, one of the visions was to really create a community. We're going to eventually be building homes here. We actually have beautiful floor plans that we'll be offering. And we really want to just kind of create a sense of community here on the north side of the island.
I love it. And you know, so many times people are so drawn to areas like Secret Beach, right? It's the beautiful turquoise waters there. It's where a lot of tourists go because they want to enjoy sitting in the water and, you know, having a drink. But for those folks who are looking to not be at Secret Beach, right? Finding an affordable property, like you just mentioned, is so difficult on the island right now, especially one that has road access and electricity.
Yeah.
And talk about that, because
yes.
this was not out here.
None of this was here. So we literally this was all raw land. We as a developer, we did all the entitlement work. We put in all the roads. We actually, we got approval. We were bringing in power to the subdivision so that every single lot that is for sale here will have access to power. Right at the lot line, you'll have power. And so all of this here was created in the last couple of years. And so, and one of the things, again, mentioning the financing, we're doing very flexible financing with only 30% down over a 5-year term, but the payments amortized over 30 years. So again, it makes it more affordable to be able to buy your piece of paradise. And so roads, power, all the infrastructure, and again, we'll be offering these beautiful concrete Caribbean modern style floor plans as well, which I'm really excited about.
I love it. And the floor plans are so nice. And if anybody is interested in learning more, Phase 4 lots, which are going to be right over here behind us, that is going to be starting at $59,900 up to about $63,000. And like Sarah mentioned, there's going to be financing up to 70%. So your monthly payments are less than $400 a month. Really affordable.
Yeah.
I mean, for some folks, that's just, you know, 2 nights of dinner right there per month that you can put towards your lot, your property here in Belize instead.
And again, as I mentioned, Rachel, when you talked about path of progress, so lots being 55, 60,000 right now in this area, we are literally just a stone's throw from the beautiful barrier reef, just 900 feet that way, literally just a 5-minute walk, and we're to the beautiful blue water, to the barrier reef, to all of the wonderful activities that this island offers. We're literally just a hop, skip, and just like wherever you want to go. We're in such a great centralized location here, but yet we also have privacy so that we're not on the main road where all of the main traffic's going to be. We're actually tucked back here a little bit, just a 1-minute walk from the main road, and it gives you enough privacy and a sense of community. And this is what I really love about this specific location, is that it's not right in the middle of the hustle and bustle of San Pedro. It's still back enough and tucked away for privacy, but you have access to everything.
I love it. I love it. And you've done such a fantastic job here bringing in
you.
roads, bringing the electricity, doing things that a lot of developers should be doing, but may not. So folks, if this is of interest to you, please do reach out to us. We have a limited inventory here within phase 4. We'd love to get those details over to you. You can scan the QR code above or email us info@lunarealtybelize.com, info@lunarealtybelize.com, and we'll send you the latest. See you soon.
Bye now.